All right, here you have DMK leader Udayanidhi Stalin, who's all set to be elevated to the post of Deputy Chief Minister in Tamil Nadu. His father currently holds the position of Chief Minister, MK Stalin. In fact, Udayanidhi's elevation here, the news of which has exploded in the political circles. DMK has dismissed all the rumors with the AIADMK slamming the ruling DMK. Udayanidhi Stalin, the son of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister MK Stalin, currently the Sports and Youth Welfare Minister of the state. He is likely to be elevated to the post of Deputy Chief Minister, and that announcement is to come about in less than 24 hours. Earlier, MK Stalin had hinted at elevating Udayanidhi Stalin to Deputy Chief Minister. He himself, in fact, MK Stalin himself, on many occasions, dropped hints that his son could be likely elevated to the post of Deputy Chief Minister. At that point, there was speculation that MK Stalin wasn't keeping too well, his health was deteriorating, and that's when the rumors sprung up. In fact, the DMK, meanwhile, has dismissed at this point all the rumors. They call it rumors. They dismiss any claims that there could be any announcement of such nature. But nonetheless, there is still strong speculation that a formal declaration from the DMK itself will come out in the next 24 hours. AIADMK is slamming the DMK, calling MK Stalin a liar, that elevation of Udayanidhi was nothing but dynast politics. AIADMK says there was no democracy within the DMK and that it made blatant claims of democracy, with an example of Udayanidhi being given a ministry and now likely to be elevated to Deputy CM.
நாங்கள் திமுக என்பது சொன்னதை தான் செய்யும், சொல்வதை தான் செய்வோம். ஒரே வரையில் சொல்லிடுறேன். இன்னைக்கு 75ஆம் ஆண்டு விழாவை கொண்டாடக்கூடிய வகையில் திமுக பவள விழாவை கொண்டாட இருக்கு. ஆக நிச்சயமா உறுதியா நீங்க எதிர்பார்க்கக்கூடிய சூழ்நிலை உருவாகும் என்று நம்புகிறேன்.
Udayanidhi Stalin would be made the Deputy Chief Minister. Is that so?
As you said, it is a rumor. A rumor will come to my ears also, but I can't say anything. It is for the CM to decide.
Do you encourage that rumor?
We are not against anything. He is proving his mettle. He is working.
Udayanidhi.
Yes, as a minister.
The elevation of Prince Udayanidhi as Deputy Chief Minister signals and marks the end of DMK in Tamil Nadu going forward. The upcoming Assembly 2026, DMK is all set to split into different factions, with couple of seniors going to revolt against these decisions. This is a clear example of dynasty rule in the name of democracy. Father, son, grandson and great-grandson clearly expose how big a liar MK Stalin is.
Let me cut across to Pramod Madhu joining us live, our correspondent from Tamil Nadu. Pramod, what's the speculation about? If it is Udayanidhi Stalin for Deputy Chief Minister, why doesn't the DMK just go ahead and announce it? There's constant buzz and chatter around it, and then it subsides, and now it's sprung again on Udayanidhi being elevated. Next 24 hours, there will be a decision. It will be announced. That's as much as our sources tell us.
You're absolutely right about it, Nabila. Since January of this year, this rumor has been floating, and in fact, like every time something comes up like this, another issue crops up, be it like Sanatana issue or be it like the elections and such, and it will be like put on hold. This is what DMK had been saying earlier. But since August, various ministers from the party itself, they came forward and said that after 22nd August, Udayanidhi would be made the Deputy Chief Minister, and this will happen before the Chief Minister would leave for USA. And when we put forward this question to the Chief Minister, that point he said that even though the request is strengthening, the time is not yet right, but right now, after coming from USA, he started saying that the only thing that is constant is change, and whatever DMK would only say whatever it does, and whatever you are expecting will happen. So that seems to be the culmination. And yesterday, it was a completion of 75 years of DMK, and right now, we are at an event where Udayanidhi Stalin is sitting inside, and we are waiting for him to just come out and to find out what is happening. But here, Udayanidhi Stalin is sitting over here, and he has not reacted to any kind of rumors that is happening, as you could see over there, and he's actually enjoying a students program that is happening at this spot, while his father, the Chief Minister, is at with senior ministers. A discussion is happening. We've been told it is about another going to occur on 28, but other sources of the ministers also claiming all talks are on to elevate Udayanidhi Stalin as the Deputy Chief Minister, Nabila.